You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two different names. If you want to learn more, named, pronounced correctly, stay tuned. The top word is the English version of the name. Magdalene is generally how it is pronounced. Magdalene. The bottom one is a variant. Also, the Spanish pronunciation is as Magdalena. Magdalena. In English, Magdalena or Magdalene, Magdalena. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.